Hello everyone. Today I have a new product which I had before, iZEEKER Dashcam. It's iD240. It's a new product, so I will just check it out and compare with the other iZEEKER dash camera I had, like it was a iD400. So we'll see what's the difference between those two cameras. And I will just open up the box. Inside the box there's our camera, which you can see, and it includes a SD card. It's right here, and this is the plug, for the charger, and this button is for the turning and turning off. If you just press hold like 3 seconds, it's gonna turn it on. And a car charger, and a charger cable, and also one sticker to mount the camera on the windshield, and one USB, like a micro USB. You can use it to move your files in the USB, crowbar. And also there's an electrostatic sticker which you can put on the windshield to mount the camera, and also your user manual, which you're gonna need it because when you download the application there's a password, you have to use it. So for now we'll check the camera, and I'm gonna turn it on. The differences between the other cameras, like as I can see, I couldn't see any screen right here, which you can use your camera for both way, either like for the front or for the inside the car. And also you can just check on the box, which you can see right here. It has like good resolution, high resolution, which is like 2.5K, and also it has also like a G sensor, which there's something going on inside the car or around the car, and also has like a loop recording. If your SD card is full, it's still going on the recording, which is very good. And I will show the rest of the things inside the car, so we will see quality of the camera, and after that I will just show you how you can do that. For now I'm gonna show you the application. You need to download it. Now I plugged in the camera to start using it, and we will record a couple of videos. But before that we should download this application, which is like Video Dashcam Viewer. So I'm gonna download it. We will use this application to control our dashcam and see what's going on inside the car or outside the car if something happens. So after that, I'll show you how to control your application and your camera also. So now it's downloading, and after that you need to give all the permission to your from your phone. So the application should connect your phone, and now it's almost downloaded. Then I will just now turn it on the camera to hold on 3 seconds. As you can hear it. Okay, it started recording. Now the application is ready. As you can see, I'll agree with everything. So now I'm gonna add one camera here. So when I say add camera, it needs permission to connect to Wi-Fi, and I'll give it right now. So now it's searching for the camera. As I told you, just check your manual. So you will just like need the password right here. So I'll just say next, connect Wi-Fi. Now from the Wi-Fi, I need to find right here iD240. Now I'll connect it. It asks for the password. The password is right here. So now it's connected. Now I'll go to the application. Yeah. So you can see right, it's coming. So the camera is on, as you can see right here. So it's recording, so I can control it right away. Okay, the angle looks fine, so I'll check with the in the car as well. Hello everyone again. So now I'm gonna try our camera in the car. I will just like mount it on the window right over here, and then drive like a couple of miles, so we'll see the quality of the camera. As you can see, I mentioned before that I had another iZEEKER dash camera, so the difference is, like, as you can see, it doesn't have like a screen right here. Instead, you can control and you can check with your application, as I mentioned beginning of my video. So I will just like mount it and show you a couple of minutes so you can see the quality of the camera right now. I just mounted in the car right here on the window, as you can, on the windshield. So as you can see, you can just move whatever you like, or you can turn it inside the inside your car if you want to. It's definitely up to you. So I'm gonna right now plug it. So, and then now it started recording. So we'll see the quality of it. So I will just show you a couple of minutes. It started.
Start recording.
So we'll see the quality of it.
Start recording.